Lake region is a region that has tremendous opportunity. In my plan, the blue economy, which contributes about 20 billion shillings every year, it is my intention to raise the contribution of our blue economy from 20 billion to 100 billion. And for us to do that, we need to do a couple of things. Number one, we need to build blue economy infrastructure. As you're all aware, we are investing 1.5 billion shillings in building 10 fish landing sites in Lake Victoria. From Busia, through Siaya, here in Kisumu, in Homa Bay, all the way to Migori. In fact, yesterday, when I met the leadership of Migori, they were asking me when the Muhuru fish landing site is going to begin, the construction is going to begin. And the Got Achola is going to begin. Both of them in Migori. And I remember telling the leaders there when we met last evening that the ministry responsible is undertaking public participation, and in the next 2 months or so, and I think the PS for Blue Economy is here, she can confirm, in the next 2 months or so, the construction of those facilities will join the others that we have already constructed. I know the one for Sori has already been completed. I know some of the ones in Kisumu have been completed because we want to build infrastructure. That's number one. Number two, we need to deal with the challenge of fingerlings and the fish stock in our waters. And we need to replenish, because the more we fish, the fewer the stocks are. It is the reason why I came to Kabonyo here. And we have a project of 1 billion shillings to have a major fish program here that will help us develop at least 7 million fingerlings, PS, 7 million fingerlings per quarter. High quality fingerlings, both for our farmers and also for us to restock Lake Victoria. The other item is fish feed. I think there is also a challenge there where we are looking at the cost, and many of the people involved in that space have been telling us the fish feed is a bit expensive. So we are working with companies to see how we can reduce the cost of fish feed so that we can encourage more farmers to do fish farming. Number three is to discourage exports. When I came here, the last time I was here, many people in Kisumu were selling fish from China and other places. And I said then that we cannot continue in that trajectory. It's the reason why last year we banned the imports of fish from other countries and instead encourage our own local production and fishing of fish in Kenya. A few people made noise at me that why was I banning fish from other countries. It is the right thing to do, because we can develop our own food in Kenya. The third issue that the fourth